children, today we will discuss grammar essay The Policeman. It is given in your textbook also, so you can write from the textbook. I will read for you. The policeman. Every country in this world has its own laws, rules and regulations. In order to maintain peace and order in the country, some sort of laws have to be observed by every citizen. We generally see that some people do not heed the laws of the state. The policeman is given the task of making the people obey the laws. He has the authority to take action against the people who break the laws. He is often known as the watchdog of the society. The policeman has a robust personality. Robust personality. He wears a khaki uniform. He is distinctly noticed and recognized by everyone. In some states, the policeman wears a white uniform. The policeman does not have an easy job to do. He has to work the whole day and night. There are some who work at night and rest during the night. His main job is to maintain law and order. He also settled quarrels and disputes. He is always on patrol. He protects all prominent buildings, whether they are religious or governmental. He is the enemy of all the miscreants in the society. The policeman works very hard. I wish he was paid more by the government. He is a praiseworthy person who maintains laws and order. Without his help, there would be chaos in the country. So, children, this essay already is written in the textbook. So, I request you all, from the textbook you have to copy this essay in your grammar classwork notebook and learn it well. Thank you.